Kannur, the land of looms and lords, a land of vibrant culture, the land of Sri Muthappan. Hi guys, welcome to Kannur. When we talk about Kannur, the first thing which comes to my mind is the glorious Parshini Sri Muthappan temple. People from all walks of life and from all caste and creed come here to worship the deity. As part of prayers, the visitors offer toddy to the deity as a common ritual. The temple, with its unique architectural beauty, stands as the iconic landmark of Kannur. The Mamanikunnu Devi temple is another important temple in the district. Here, goddess Durga is the main deity. The next temple which I want to speak about is the Kadalai Sri Krishna temple. The Shiveli ritual performed here is really worth seeing. Theyyam or Tira is the iconic festival of Kannur. It is a legendary ritual with mythological importance, which is performed all over the district. The district of Kannur has many great spiritual places with several magnificent churches and with many grand mosques. The district of Kannur is blessed with several historical places. Many people don't know that the city of Kannur, along with its sister city Thalassery, was the third most important commercial place on the entire western coast of India during the 18th century. Kannur has had a rich trading history with many of the ancient provinces in the west. Not many people know that Kannur had been the military headquarters on the western coast of India during the British rule until 1887. The St. Angelos Fort, which was built by the Portuguese, stands as the solid epitome of its past glory. As per history, the region of Kannur was ruled by the Chera dynasty during the medieval period. The later kings were called as Kolathiris. As the Kolathiris were the prominent rulers here, the place was also called as Kolattu Nadu. Thalassery or Tellicherry. It's a small historic town located south of Kannur city. The town of Tellicherry has a unique place in the history of Kerala. It is the political and the cultural capital of Malabar region. The city of Tellicherry is often called as the city of three C's. Yes, the cricket, cake and circus. The Brahman College, which is an elegant education center in Kerala, is also located here. Like many other districts of Kerala, the district of Kannur also has three regions: the coastal region, the midlands and the high ranges. As the district is part of the Western Ghats region, it has many alluring hill stations as well. The district of Kannur is blessed with several exotic tourist places. To name, the alluring Paidal Mala, the mesmerizing Palakayam Tattu, and then we have the pristine Marpalangadu beach, which is one of the longest driving beaches in Asia. As a fact, Kannur has got the largest number of beaches in the entire state. Now, we have Kavai backwaters, which is also worth seeing. Then comes the Madai Para. Another tourist examples are the dense Kannavam forest, the Dharmadam Island, we also do have other kind of entertainment places, just like the Snake Park, which is located in Parshinikadavu, Kannur. Apart from this, there are a number of places which are worth seeing in this great place, which makes Kannur a great land to visit.